We're gonna shoot through a lot of crazy things that are gonna help elevate your photography by not even buying camera gear. I've got literally a bag of tricks here for us. It's all inexpensive and things you might even have around your house. I do like using a mirrorless camera for this because it gives me a better idea of what it looks like as I'm shooting. So let's just get a basic exposure. I might switch to my 15mm lens. That looks good. And we're just going to put this in front. You can see it creates a really nice reflection depending on where you hold it, or you can use some of the colors. So that is number one. And depending on where you put it in your lens, you can do some pretty interesting reflections.
Before we jump into this, make sure that you download my free posing inspiration guide. We could all use some inspiration. Get that in the link below with lots of ideas on how to pose groups and individuals.
These are not just regular beads, they're kind of crystallized, so they're not totally opaque, which is gonna add some really fun color. Now, no matter what you're playing with, the further out you bring it, you're gonna actually see more of it and maybe more of the bokeh as well. And the closer you bring it in, then you'll see almost like a haze. And then you can take your flashlight and shine it right in and create a really fun haze. I'm gonna change my lens again back to my 1.2 because that will create a little bit more of a haze when we use this technique. Ideally, you have a streak of sunlight to work with, something that's actually that bright. We don't have that, so what I've got is a Profoto B10. You can use other types of continuous lights. So we added a grid here so that we could really hone in the light, really have a pretty big difference between the light and darks. So I hope you found some fun new things to shoot through to really elevate your photography and how to troubleshoot them when they're just not working the way you want them to. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time.